Hey, what's up guys? So on this video what I'm going to be showing you is how to add this bar right here that you're looking at on my website. So this bar is actually an integration called HelloBar. So if you go to the website hellobar.com, this is actually where you will be getting this bar to be added onto your website. So I really recommend that you go ahead and register on the actual website. So what I did first of all was that I inputted my website's domain on here so I could go ahead and create an account, right? So I'll actually go ahead and log in to show you what the inside looks like, and you can follow from there. So I'll pause the video. Okay, so here we are. So this is what the inside looks like whenever you log in. So you'll see that it has 5 tabs in total. So what I want you to focus on are on the goals. So you'll see first of all how you have 5 different selections. So as an example, I'll actually go through each one to show you some examples of what they look like and what they say. So you'll see this one is actually focused on collecting emails. The only downside to this one is the fact that you have to integrate your email marketing HTML or CSS on the page depending upon the email marketing software that you're using. So this would be great if you want to put that at the top of your page. As you can see, that's not what I'm using at the moment. So on this second one right here is to actually emphasize getting phone calls. This one is for social media engagement, or more emphasis on it. If you want to target a specific URL, which is actually what I'm using at the moment. So you will see, as an example, if I click on yes, what it actually does, it redirects me to my Calendly URL. So I just copy the Calendly URL and I use it for that specific location. And the last one over here, announcements. So as you can see, if you have promotions, right, this is a great way of letting people be aware of your promotions that you're trying to promote more. So I'll use the same one that I have already. So it's really simple to use this. You literally would just go next. You will select the one that you want. So while I'm here, I actually want to show you some pretty cool features, like this one, for example. You probably have seen this one. This is Neil Patel. So for a full takeover page, landing page, it could be very handy to where if you don't want it to be too annoying right at the top of the page, you could change it to where it just pops up fully on the page and they can just close it if they don't want that. So it's just like a personal choice, really. So I'll just select this particular one, which is actually the one that I had previously before, and I would just simply go next. You'll see where it says URL target. This is actually where you're going to input the URL of where they're redirected, right? So you'll see that my bar is actually not here since I'm in the process of actually changing the possible bar. But the main thing is that you copy the URL, you paste it there, and you can play around with all of these settings to whatever you like. So once you're here, you'll see that it actually asks whether if you want there to be a delay or not. I have mine set up to 5 seconds. As you can see, it's not displayed at the moment. As I said, it's because I'm in the middle of changing it. So let's say that I finish it all the way, and as you can see, all these dots are completely filled out. So you'll see it says who should see this. I have mine set up as everyone. After conversion, don't display this site element to that user for 3 days. So if they click on it, it won't be displayed to them for 3 days. So I'll go through these individually just to show you what you could potentially do. So let's say that if I clicked on change template, you'll see all the possible options that they have to where you don't even have to think, right? So I actually changed mine manually to where I said, do you want to make your website more digitized, as an example. So I'll actually go back to the home page. Well, actually, let me continue. So let's say that you maintain that template, and after you're here at the end, what you will simply do is just click on save and publish. And another thing that you need to do that I actually haven't even spoken about is install the HelloBar plugin on your website. So let me actually show you that next. So let me pause the video for 1 second so I can log into my WordPress admin panel. So, you know, whenever you actually go through the process and finish it and publish it, it will provide you with a code, which is actually where you will paste it on here. So do be sure that you look up this plugin, and just in case if you forgot, look for this little plugin icon, add new, and then that's where you're going to search for the plugin. So the name of the plugin is called HelloBar, just like that. You will go ahead and install this plugin. The website will give you the code, so you paste it on the plugin itself and it will activate the plugin itself. So let me go back to the plugin itself, which is actually the little H that you see here. Oh, I clicked on the wrong one. Let me click it again. So here it is. As you can see, it says start over. I'm actually not sure what it will do if I actually do that, but you can see that it actually asks that you input the snippet code. As I said, the website will provide you with that if you're in the process of doing it for the first time. I have already done this myself, so I don't need to do this. But essentially, that's basically what you need to do. Make sure that you set it up on the website. Make sure that you have the plugin on your actual website, and then, you know, just test it out on your actual website to see what it looks like, to see if you like the way that it looks. And from there, you're pretty much done. So as you can see, it's actually not being displayed at the moment because I was messing with it. But yeah, so it's pretty straightforward. You know, just find what you like, what works best for you, depending upon what you're trying to accomplish, and just mess with the settings, edit the text. You can actually edit the text directly just by clicking on here. You can also adjust the button as well to whatever you like, and you can see how it looks on mobile devices, on a tablet, or on desktop potentially. So be sure that you save and publish, and that's really all there is to it. Alright, so my name is Jeffrey. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. Alright, take care.